Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 AMG Coupe. This one's a polar white. Under the hood's a twin-turbo 3-liter V6 pushing out 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. Standard on the GLC are front and rear LED daytime running lights. We've got a diamond-style grille up front. This also comes with the AMG Night Package, which is going to give you a blacked out exterior trim in the front, side, and back. 21-inch 5-spoke with black accent AMG wheels. Tires are in good condition. Bi-turbo badging. A cranberry black leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back. We've got a rear spoiler. AMG badging. Black diffuser, power liftgate, all season floor mats, fold down rear seats, a cargo cover. Coming up front here, we also have blind spot assist with this GLC. Coming alongside here, we've got Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, a dark brown linden wood trim, power windows. Hopping in here. We also have our parking assist buttons right over here. Also comes with a surround view backup camera. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, dual climate controls, cup holders, our command center. This vehicle has only 5,728 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.